I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2015 Buick Enclave. It is front-wheel drive and has the 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's been fully serviced and checked out and everything is good to go. We do offer free Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. And this Enclave is a local North Carolina vehicle with no accidents or damages reported. And this Enclave also qualifies for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. It has a lot of options. I'm going to try to cover as many as I can in this video, starting with remote start. And it does have your blind spot monitor in the mirror there. The interior is leather and the driver's seat is power. The steering wheel has your Bluetooth, cruise control, and audio controls, and it also has a heated steering wheel. It currently has 121,000 miles. Along with navigation. That screen is also where your backup camera is going to display. And then it has heated seats along with dual climate controls. And it also has memory seats and the Bose stereo. The second row has bucket seats, which makes easy access to the third row. And then there's your controls for the rear air, and then you have USB chargers at the bottom. And the vents for the air condition in the rear are in the headliner, as you can see. And it also has a power lift gate. And this is with one side of the third row seat down. If you need both sides down, you can for additional cargo room. And this is with the third row seat up. I wanted y'all to see the condition, that it's good since it was down earlier. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look or test drive, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.